In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Meet and start using it easily. Let's get started by walking through this process step by step, ensuring you have everything you need to host or join a meeting smoothly. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google's homepage. This is a simple initial step, but crucial as the rest of the process is done through Google's services. If you're not already signed into your Google account, make sure to do so, as you'll need it to access Google Meet. Once you're logged in, take a look at the upper right-hand corner of your screen. You should see a grid icon which represents Google Apps. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu appears, showing you all the apps Google offers, such as Gmail, Drive, and of course, Meet. Locate and click on the Meet icon from this menu. Google Meet is a video communication service developed by Google, and it's quite handy for personal and professional purposes. Clicking on Meet will take you to the Google Meet homepage. Now that you're on the Google Meet page, you'll see an option to start a new meeting. Look for the button that says New Meeting and click on it. This will present you with a few options, such as creating a meeting for later, scheduling it in Google Calendar, or starting an instant meeting. For now, let's focus on starting an instant meeting, as it's the quickest way to jump into a video call. After clicking Start an Instant Meeting, you'll be directed to the meeting room. Here, Google Meet will prompt you for permissions to access your microphone and camera if you haven't previously granted them. Make sure to allow this access so that you can fully participate in the meeting with audio and video capabilities. At this point, your meeting room is live and you're ready to host others. The screen will provide a link that you can share with participants to invite them to join your meeting. Simply copy this invitation link and send it to your attendees via email, chat, or any other communication platform you prefer. It's that simple. As participants join, you will see their video feeds appearing on your screen, allowing you to communicate and collaborate effectively. Google Meet offers features like screen sharing, real-time captions, and layout options, so explore those if needed. These features can enhance your meeting experience, making it more interactive and inclusive. There you have it. You're now ready to host your meetings effortlessly with Google Meet. Whether it's a quick catch-up with a friend or a crucial business meeting, this tool has got you covered. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. See you next time.